The YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program is a great way to earn money on YouTube by recommending the products you love, and it creates a seamless experience for your viewers. When you tag products in your videos, shorts, or live streams, a shopping button will appear directly on your content. Viewers can then browse the products you've featured without even leaving the watch page. When viewers click on a product, they'll be directed to the merchant site to make their payment, and you'll receive a commission from their purchase. In this video, you'll learn about the eligibility requirements to join the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, how to join, the participating brands and retailers, how to tag products in your videos, how to receive payments and earn commissions, and how to track your earnings in YouTube Analytics. Here's how to join the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. If you're on your computer, click on the Earn link in YouTube Studio, then click on Shopping. Here you'll see recommended for you, earn more with the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. Click Get Started. The YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program helps viewers shop and earn money by accessing products and promotions from popular brands and find the best commission rate for you. Get paid when viewers buy tag products from your videos and shorts, manage affiliate products, and get insights all in one place. Click Continue. Read through the YouTube Affiliate Program Terms of Service. After you've read the Terms of Service, click I hereby agree and consent to the Affiliate Program Agreement Terms. Then click Join Program. It says you're in. You can now start tagging your products. Later, I'll show you how to tag products in your videos, so stay tuned. If you're on your phone, tap the YouTube Studio app, tap the Earn icon at the bottom right, and you should see at the top you're a YouTube partner. Scroll down. Under Shopping, tap Get Started, tap Join Affiliate Program. Then tap Turn On. Review the terms and conditions. Check the box that says I accept the terms and conditions. Then tap Join Program. Here's a growing list of participating brands and retailers so you can start selling products that you want to recommend to your viewers. How to tag products in your videos and shorts. When you tag products in your content, a View Products button will appear in the corner of your video. I'll show you how it works by choosing an existing product review video from my channel. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio, then select the video where you wish to tag a product. I'm going to select this product review video of the smallest, lightest wireless Bluetooth microphone. Click on Details, scroll down to where it says Products, click on Products, enter your product name, Smart Mic Plus microphone, tap Return on your keyboard. Here's the Sabina Tech Smart Mic Plus True Wireless Stereo Microphone from Adorama, selling for $139, and I receive a 4.5% commission. I'm going to tag that product by clicking on the plus sign, and it shows here over here on the right. If I want to remove it, I can just click the trash icon to delete it. It also shows related products in this list. If I want, I can tag up to 30 different products. I'm just going to stick with this one product. Click Save. Now it shows one tag product. Let's play the video. As you can see, I've now got the View Products button on my video. If a viewer clicks on that, they'll see the product under the video, which says Dross Video earns commission on tag products. If they click View, it takes them to the merchant site where they can buy the product. If you're shopping from your phone, just tap the View Products button on top of the video and you immediately be presented with a product. This sure beats redirecting viewers to a link in the description because they can shop directly from your video. Keep in mind you can also tag products in your live streams and also feature a tag product by pinning it to the stream. Viewers will be able to see the tag products by tapping on the shop icon and be able to shop without leaving the stream. Eligibility requirements. To be invited into the program, you must meet these minimum eligibility requirements. Your channel must be in the YouTube Partner Program. Your channel must have more than 20,000 subscribers. Your channel must be based in the United States. Your channel audience is not set as made for kids, and you don't have any channel strikes. Let's talk about how you can earn commissions. The beauty about promoting affiliate products on YouTube is that you don't have to even own the product to earn a commission. For example, if you're promoting a product that costs $190 and you earn 50% commission, you receive $95. Wow, that's not bad. You'll also receive commissions on the entire basket size. So if someone purchases multiple products, you receive multiple commissions. So how do you receive payments from your commissions? You receive payments to your AdSense account 60 to 120 days after a viewer has purchased a product. If a viewer returns an item they've purchased, the commissions you earn will be reversed. Keep in mind you'll only be paid commissions from the YouTube Affiliate Program if viewers click from affiliate products tagged in your content. Here's how to track your earnings data by going to YouTube Analytics. Click on Analytics in YouTube Studio, then under the Revenue tab, click on Affiliate Program. You'll be able to see estimated revenue, total sales, orders, and product clicks. You'll also be able to see your top affiliate products as well as top earning content. As you can see, the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program is a great way to earn more money on YouTube by recommending the products you love, and you don't even have to create the products. For viewers, it's a seamless experience because they can browse the products directly on your video without leaving the watch page. All they have to do is click on View Products to make a purchase directly from your video. If you're not already a member of the YouTube Partner Program because you don't have 500 subscribers, watch a video on the screen right now on how to get your first 500 subscribers on YouTube so you can get your channel monetized. You'll be glad you did.